Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I am going to show you how to make use of pivot table. So if you look at my spreadsheet here, I have the data of employee ID and then first name and then company and then cost. So first of all, you need to understand where you will use pivot table. So before we go to pivot table, first try to understand. I wanted to display, there are different company names here and there are the person names, like people are working for that particular company. So if I apply filter on it, just see, if I apply filter like this, so if I wanted to see how many people are working for AIZ company, let's take an example. So if I see AIZ company, Vijay is working and Pavan is working and Ajay is working. So these four people are working. They may be same or with some different last names. So I did not provide those details, but still if you count in the number wise, like there are four people for AIZ. Similarly, if you wanted to do the same thing for CTS, see there are three people we have in the list, and if you look at for others, you will have different people are working for different company. So now I don't want to do it one by one. I wanted to display the entire data in a systematic data representation. In such cases, so pivot table will help you. So how to do that? First, you need to select the entire data, whatever you wanted to have. Select the entire data range, on what range you wanted to apply the pivot table, and then click on insert and click on pivot table. Just select the first one. So once you click on that, so see here it will ask for the range. So we have specified the range, and it will ask you whether you wanted to create the pivot table in the new sheet or existing worksheet. So I have selected the new worksheet and click on OK. See, sheet 1 is there. There will be one more sheet will come. So if you see, this is the empty pivot table where I wanted to display my data. So if you look at what are all the fields are there in my Excel, so those columns have come here. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to display the first name or company name, whatever you want. So I wanted to display the company name here. So if you select the company name as row label, the company name will come. So the people who are working, if you wanted to show the people who are working, see Ajay, so you can do like that. And then total number of people, so if you wanted to give the sum of first name, how many people are working, see AIG we have 4 people, CTS we have 3 people, like that you can display the data. So if at all you wanted to have the names also, you can have the filter of the first name into the columns, and automatically so the data will be represented in this format. So you can align it using the alignments, so that you can see the AIG company, whatever the example I have shown you. So total 4 people are there, Ajay 1, Pavan 1 and then Vijay 2. So similarly you can apply different filters, and there are a lot of things you can do with pivot tables. So as a introductory session, I am just explaining you how to create a pivot table. So thanks for watching. Keep watching for more updates on the pivot table. Thank you.